Hello everyone. Today we will explore a handy feature on your iPhone, the replace text function. This can save you time and efforts while typing. So let's start. You have to open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on general. Now within general, find and tap on keyboard to access keyboard settings. Now tap on text replacement to access the replace text feature. Here, to add a new replacement, tap on this add icon on the top right corner. Now you can enter a shortcut like a few letters and the corresponding phrase you want to replace it with. Once you have entered the details, tap save to save your new text replacement. Now if you type ASAP and hit space, then it will type the shortcut for you. So this is how you can use this text replacement feature on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.